Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. Today, next chapter, referral system. Okay, referral means what? Hmm? Can you hear my sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What is referral? Referral. Referral means what?
Sending.
Don't know. What is a referral? Just referring means. Huh?
Share, ma'am. Share.
Share. What share? Huh? Okay. Referral system means who is that putting mute? Referring it means in one hospital no facilities for that patient. One patient, emergency patient coming means no means facilities and no doctor as special doctor not there means what we will do? We will do the referring the patient to higher center. Okay, in small hospital, any small hospital, one emergency patient coming, maybe head injury. Head injury patient coming means in there no CT scanner, there no doctor means what we will do? We will refer the patient to higher center. That is the referral system. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
At each level of
Yes, ma'am.
putting mute, who is that? At each level of healthcare infrastructure, there is need for support from higher level infrastructure and also from secondary tertiary level hospital to strengthen the promote credibility of a primary healthcare system. It means referral system is defined as a system of transferring cases which are beyond the technical component of one infrastructure to higher level infrastructure. Okay, institution having technical competency and all other resource of provided is their health service. It means same only. Referral system means in our infrastructure, not specialties means we are refer the patient to higher level infrastructure. That is the referral system. Okay. The referral system is vertical in nature. The case can be performed from village health post, SC, subcenter, PHSC, from subcenter to PHSC, and community health center, and to PHSC to community health center, and secondary or territory level hospital, and from CHSC to secondary or territory level hospital. It means subcenter means small center to PHSC, primary health center. Then it should go in a community health center. Then it should go in a territory level. It means the government hospital, taluk hospital, like that hospital is there, no? We are refer the patient to that base. Okay. And provision is made for bypassing 1 into 2 will depend upon the nature and seriousness of cases to the required medical and nursing care can be given one time to the case, and mortality and morbidity can be prevented and controlled. It means in our small hospital, not facility for that patient, no facility for treatment for that patient means we should refer the patient to higher center. Okay. And here super specialty hospital and teaching hospital, district hospital, CHSC, PHSC, sub-center, and CHW, community health worker. Okay, in some society, low health worker, it means CHW, ANM, ASHA, okay, and village woman, like that somebody is there. Okay, what they will do, anything happening is they will tell you go in sub-center. Then sub-center no facilities means they will send a PHSC. PHSC no specialist means CHSC, community health center. And next district hospital. Next teaching hospital. It means super specialty hospital. Okay, and that level is there, hospital based. It means what is the structure based, what is the facility based, we are divided the hospital. Understand? That is the referral system. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is referral system purposes. To provide need-based comprehensive care within the technical competencies and resources to each level of the primary healthcare infrastructure efficiently and effectively. And it helps people avail specialized service available at higher level institutions which are beyond their reach. And it is streamline in the appropriate use of PHSC infrastructure and specialized service in order to prevent overloading of the specialized nutrition by the direct use. It means what purpose we are referring means we are want to take the good care, want to give the good care to the patient. That is the purposes of the referral. Okay, to provide need-based comprehensive care within the technical component resources, each level of the primary healthcare infrastructure efficiently and effectively. And it help people avail specialized service. It means we will help the patient to specialized services. It means in which condition that patient having means neuro problem, heart problem. Okay, in that basically in a what type of disease means in that case we will refer the patient to higher center. That is the purposes of the referral system. Next, requirement of a referral system. The referral unit of a PHSC system need to well-trained required number of professional medical equipment and supplies organization structure. Okay, the referral unit of a PHSC system need well-trained required number of professional medical equipment and supplies organization structure and continuing training, guidance and supervision of the community health worker and guidance of sanitary measures and to disseminate information on disease control method. Okay, in community health means they want a referral unit. It means specialized. Okay, in their training guidance have and supervision of community and one supervision is there for a community health worker and conduct health education session, provide logistics support in team of equipment and supplies required at PHSC and establish a relation, functional relationship with other sector involved in a social and economic development and organize transportation facility for cases to be referred. Okay, conduct health. It means in CHSC, community health center, they want a trained guidance. It means all equipment and she want to know about how to use the equipment and train. We want to give the training to that people and conduct health education class sessions and provide logistics support to team of equipment and supply required at PHSC and establish functional relationship with other sector involved in social and economic development and organize transportation. It means ambulance service. Okay, that is the requirement for effective referral system. The referral hospital at a secondary and tertiary level need to provide specialized clinic, outpatient and inpatient care. Outpatient means water, inpatient means water. What is outpatient? What is inpatient?
Ma'am, outpatient means
Tell me. Outpatient means
inpatient में मैं ICU patient.
outpatient means
Outpatient means
outdoor checkup.
outpatient means IT patient.
Before-
It means, that patient coming for just seeing the doctor. Okay. Otherwise, just seeing the doctor and blood test and take the medicine and they go. Inpatient means admission patient. Okay, that is provide specialized clinical outpatient and inpatient care continuously and backup primary health care system by providing PHE care message and teaching and discourage people attending OPD directly. Example, to attend OPD. OPD means
outpatient department.
outpatient.
Department.
When they have a referral card and a letter or a genuine emergency. Okay, and they act the teaching center of the health professional, including community health worker. That is the referral hospital secretary level need to. It means we are taking the one patient from PHSC into CHSC or a territory level hospital or another hospital means we want to enter the OPD and we want to show the referral card and letter and emergency. This patient is emergency. I want to, you should give the care to the patient. That we should want to tell to the emergency department. Okay. Next one is the section of referral cases. The variety serious patient requiring immediate medical care and treatment. Patient presenting serious signs and symptoms and she may not be sick but require immediate referral. When special diagnostic procedure are required for a diagnosis. Okay, it means one patient, high BP patient, maybe we are seeing means that patient is better, but maybe that patient BP is higher. Okay, that's why we want to that hospital. No specialist means we should refer the patient in immediately. Okay, that the very serious patient requiring immediate medical care and treatment. That is why we are referring the patient. That is the section of referral cases. Okay, and patient presenting serious signs and symptoms, he or she may not be sick but require immediate referral. Okay, see means we are understood that patient is not patient is well, but some seriousness is there. Okay, when special diagnostic procedure are required for a diagnosis, because special diagnosis, maybe scanning or a CT scan, MRI scan, all a PHSC level, any small hospital, there is not have a CT scan and MRI scan. Okay, that also share that patient need means we want to refer the patient to higher center. And cases requiring immediate care. The cases who may require immediate referral are as under. Case presenting any problem which cannot be handled during pregnancy, labor and postnatal period. Okay, cases presenting any problem cannot be handled. It means small center, small hospital, any labor case coming, and that labor case may be that patient may be high the BP temperature, BP, and maybe sugar level higher or eclampsia. Anything happening means what we'll do? We will refer the patient to higher center. Okay, otherwise we are not anesthesia doctor, maybe that patient maybe have cesarean section. Okay, maybe anesthesia doctor not coming means we want to refer the patient to higher center. That is the one case of the require immediate care. It means the cases presenting any problem which cannot be handled during pregnancy, labor and postnatal period. Okay, after delivery bleeding, increase the bleeding for that patient means we want to refer the patient. And after delivery, that baby is not feeling good. Any immediate case means maybe we want to refer the baby. Okay, and maybe next severe diarrhea which dehydration or not responding to treatment. Severe diarrhea. Severe diarrhea means that's what will happen, dehydration will come. That patient may be not respond and in not responding treatment means we want to refer the patient to immediately. And pain in abdomen and vomiting without the presence of bowel sound. Okay. And heartburn, dyspnea, dysphagia, hematemesis, and melena, etc. And continuous cough with or without the sputum. Okay, hemoptysis and a fever with a stiff neck, fever not responding to treatment, fever with a severe joint pain, rashes, bleeding under the skin, and breathing difficulty while walking, sleeping, doing physical work, and chest pain without pain in the left arm, restlessness and vomiting, jaundice, loss of appetite, convulsion with the fever, coma, paralysis, fracture, severe injury, hemorrhage, poison, etc. Okay, in this condition, we cannot manage in the small hospital. It means PHSC and community health center. That is the cases requiring immediate care. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can see this is the referral form. This is not clear. It means in your textbook have a referral form. Nothing is there. You should mention the patient name, age, what is the diagnosis, which doctor seeing, what is the treatment history, and any medicine allergy, anything. Okay, and the sex, all you should mention and write. Doctors only write the condition of the patient. Then we will refer the patient to higher center. Okay, this is the one referral form. Next is advantage of the referral system. What is the advantage? Already know, advantage means beneficial patient because they received effective care the primary level which is near to their home. And beneficial to health work because they are able to take care patients are within the level of competence, are not frightening, handle difficulty cases because they are referred from higher levels and referral. Advantage of referral cases. It's PHSC, near PHSC is there means what is the benefit there? Suddenly anything happening means we will run into PHSC and we will show the doctor or a health nurse. Okay, what she will tell and what the doctors will tell means that is okay, some satisfaction will get it. And some treatment, yes, first aid or treatment given means we will get some satisfaction. Then we will refer the patient to higher center means the doctor. In higher center, doctor also will accept it. For referral form is there. It means one PHSC doctor referring the patient to higher center means some responsibility is there in that higher center doctor. Okay. That is the advantage of the referral cases. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, beneficiary to management because it is economically high paid, highly paid doctor, nurses and other professionals take care of the patient with a serious and complex problem, and higher level referral unit and a patient with a simple and minor problem are taken care much low cost by health worker and a lower level. It means PHSC and a community health center, overall their work means they are high educated only. Okay, as a staff and as doctor also. They are referring workers means that is very, very importantly they will take up. That is the benefit and advantage of the referral cases. Next, key point of the effective referral system, mutual understanding of each other roles and mutual respect, mutual cooperation. That is the key point of the effective referral system. Next, nurse's role in the referral system. What is the nurse's role in a referral system? Observe and collect information about the illnesses, trauma-related situation, factors, etc. And identifies the nature of illnesses, emergency, and its seriousness. And provide immediate treatment care with her competent standing order and resource available. And assures the casualty of family members, any other person accompanying. and explain about the seriousness of the problem, situation, and the needs of the reference to the casualty. And fill up the referral form and decide and hands over the same with the related document given to the health professional in referral health center, and arrange of transport of the patient according to the feasibility as soon as possible. And it may do the telephonic consultation or provide information to the referral health center. And it may accompany the casualty patient if required feasible, and maintain the records and provide follow-up care and bed treatment and infrastructure prescribed by the referral unit. Observe and collect information about the illness, trauma related situation. It means you should observe the case and collect all information about that patient. Okay, and identify the nurse of illnesses, emergency, and it is serious. You should identify the patient emergency or small illnesses or serious condition. Okay, and provide immediate treatment care within her component and standing order and resource available. What care we want to take in with that minute and within hour, and when the patient staying in the unit, in that unit what should want to give means within 5 minutes or 10 minutes, which care we want to give means we should give. And assure the casualty family members any other the person accompanying it. Okay, assures the casualty means emergency. Okay, any family members, any other person accompanying it. And explain about the seriousness of the problem, situation, and need reference to the casualty. And you should explain the bystander. It means the family members about the patient condition, and we want to refer the patient into the immediately. We should want to inform the family members and fill up the referral form and decide the handover the same with related document given to the health professional to refer the health center. Okay, when one high or any ambulance we are seeing means in that nowadays in that ambulance ICU facilities is there and one nurse or one doctor is there. Okay, you should give the all referral content. It means patient and records and reports, all information you should give it to the referral health center and that member. And arrange or transfer. You should arrange the ambulance. May do not telephonic consultation or provide information to the referral health center. It means where we are referring the patient. Before you should inform the hospital. One patient is coming. That is the condition. That patient want ICU. That patient want emergency operation. Anything else, we should inform in that hospital. Which hospital you sending the patient? In that hospital, you ask any bed is there, doctor is there, or ICU facilities is there. One patient coming within 1 hour, within half an hour. You should inform the referral unit. Okay. And may accompany the casualty patient if required at possible. And what is the emergency means you should do. And maintain the records and what is we are doing and whatever we are done. And what is the condition of the patient. You should record in a hospital, same hospital. And all records you give it to the professional also. And provide follow-up care for treatment and instruction prescribed at the referral unit. What is the follow-up means that should be followed. This is the nurse's role in the reference system. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the referral system. And evening I will take another one. Same chapter, another one topic. Okay. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.